Pruning pepper plants will help to improve the yield on peppers. Pruning or topping off of the growth tip is fairly simple. Just remove the top of the pepper. Pruning can be done many ways. This is just one way. I prefer. It's so simple and easy, and soon you will have a bushier plant with more side shoots. Your prune plant will grow upward. It won't remain stunted, as new growing tips take over. Various reasons are presented as to why pruning peppers may be needed. One of them is helping the plants develop sturdier stems. On the other hand, homeowners want to make or force a bushier pepper plant with more side shoots. This eventually results in more flowers and possibly more peppers. Pruning helps plants manage high wind periods and better support heavy crops of peppers. Stronger stems means less breaking, as pepper stems can easily snap. Removing the main growing tip will create more side shoot growth in 95% of pepper varieties. Thank you for watching my video.